Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to review the skin from DBrand. It's called Teardown. Good. It's actually very good. Looks very good on the video. Looks really nice. I'm gonna put up the light. Looks nice and clean. You can see everything. Really nice. But when you see it in person, it is flat. There's no texture at all. It's flat, and you can compare it to this DBrand carbon fiber blue. It's actually 3D, and you can see it too. It's 3D. I'm probably gonna use this case for a while since I bought it already and it's not cheap. It's not cheap at all. No. Yeah. Very nice cutout. The flash camera cutouts very good. Nice. I just wish that they made this in 3D. I'm gonna use the case that's in the box. This one right here. Just put it on. It looks nice too with the case. Swipe it a little bit. Nice. I just wish really it was 3D, but now it's just flat. But either way, it is nice. Let's take up the case. There it is. The case. Closer. You guys can see it. All right.